This guy literally fell asleep during Bible study and then fell out of a third-story window. But the crazy part is not what you think. It was a Sunday evening in the city of Troas. A group of believers had gathered in an upstairs room. They were packed in tight, listening to the Apostle Paul. He taught passionately for hours, and the room was filled with the flickering light of oil lamps. In the crowd sat a young man named Eutychus. He chose a seat on the window ledge, probably trying to catch some fresh air. But as Paul kept speaking, midnight came and went. Eutychus grew drowsy. His eyelids grew heavy, and before anyone realized it, he fell asleep. And then disaster struck. He slipped right out of the third-story window. The believers rushed outside. There lay Eutychus, lifeless. The room that had been filled with teaching and hope was now filled with grief and shock. But Paul didn't panic. He hurried down, knelt beside the boy, and threw his arms around him. With faith and confidence, Paul said, "Don't be alarmed. He's alive." And just like that, God performed a miracle. Life returned to Eutychus. The crowd, stunned and overjoyed, brought him back upstairs, alive and well. Instead of ending the night early, they continued listening to Paul until the sun came up. And when they finally left, their hearts were comforted and their faith was strengthened.